Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need administrative rights on Windows 10 or Windows 11 to add Bluetooth in Device Manager. Confirm a built-in adapter or plug a USB Bluetooth adapter before opening Device Manager. Locate the manufacturer driver file or trust Windows Update to find a compatible driver automatically. Close unnecessary apps to avoid driver install conflicts and save your work before proceeding. Have an internet connection available for Windows Update and driver downloads during this process. Open Device Manager by right-clicking Start and choosing Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, select Action and then choose Add Legacy Hardware to begin manual installation. Choose Search for and install the hardware automatically to let Windows scan for Bluetooth devices. If automatic detection fails, use Have Disk and point to the manufacturer driver file on your PC. After installation, use Scan for hardware changes to confirm Windows recognizes the new Bluetooth adapter. Open Services. MSC and Ensure Bluetooth Support Service is running and set to automatic. If Device Manager shows an error icon, update or roll back the Bluetooth driver using the Driver tab. Restart the PC after driver changes to finalize installation and clear transient errors. Open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices to confirm Bluetooth is listed and enabled for pairing. If you still cannot pair, test the adapter on another PC or try a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.